Charles Show. Welcome to Meet Charles Show. My brother.
Thank you very much, Mr. Charles. So basically what I will tell my colleagues who are also trying to pursue such a dream is that it is something doable. Whatever you are doing in Ghana, whatever course you are studying, try to, work hard and get a very good GPA. Normally, when you have a good GPA, you can stand a chance of getting a fully funded scholarship. Personally, I didn't come with a fully funded scholarship, but I think it's okay. I met colleagues who had, 100% scholarship and they are doing well. So if you, whatever course you are doing, put much energy and get a very good class. And when you come here, everything will be good.
Thank you for coming on Meet Charles Show.
Thank you very much. I also thank you very much for this platform given to me. I think you are one of my motivators, not this show alone. I've been watching your shows, and when you knew that I was in the US, in fact, you came looking for me, got to know where I live and all that. And I'm very, very grateful for that. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You're welcome, my brother. We have to help each other. We interdepend on each other on this planet. Thank you for this time.
Okay, all right. Thank you very much.
Dear viewer, kindly like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos.